You're watching this series of lessons to be all you need to know. In this series, we are exploring common expressions with the verb to be. And guess what? We take them even further by adding prepositions to change their meaning. So let's dive in and master these phrases together. Hello, my favorite student, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, English with Speakayou. My name is Tania. In today's lesson, we are looking closely at the verb to be up. To be up. So the most common meaning of the verb to be up is to be awake or to be out of bed. For example, I was up early today. I was up early today. Or she's up and getting ready. She's up and getting ready. That means that she's awake, she's out of bed, and she's getting ready. Be up also means to be at a higher position. For example, the flag is up, which means the game is about to start. Or the new advertisement is up on the billboard. In the next one, be up is a part of a set expression, time is up. Or if you want to sound more fluent, time's up. Time's up. If time's up, it means that a period is over. You have to finish. There is no time to continue doing what you were doing. For example, time's up, put your pencils down. Or my contract is up next month. My contract is up next month, which means my contract finishes next month. Next one, and be up next. Be up next. If you're up next, it's your turn to do something. For example, you're up next. Get ready to speak. Or on TV. Up next, the new episode of X-Files. All right, the next one is be up for. Be up for. If you're up for something, it means that you're interested or willing to do it. For example, are you up for a movie night? Like, do you want to go and see a movie? Or, I'm always up for a good challenge. That means I like challenges. Next one, and be up to. Be up to. This can mean doing something often secretly and suspiciously. For example, what are you up to? Or think back to Harry Potter. I think that was the third part where he was given that map and he had to say, in order for it to start working, I'm up to no good. I'm up to no good. Or I don't trust him. He's up to something. Next one, and be up against. Be up against. If you're up against something, you're facing a difficulty or competition. For example, you're up against a strong opponent in the final. Or she's up against a lot of challenges, but she won't give up. Next, and be up with. Be up with. Well, this phrase is often used to ask what's wrong with someone or something. For example, what's up with you? You look upset. Or something is up with my car. It won't start. And the last phrase is be up and about. Be up and about. And it means to be out of bed and doing things. For example, it's time you were all up and about. Breakfast is in 5 minutes. This phrase is also used when someone was ill and is now able to get out of bed and move and maybe even come back to work or everyday things. For example, oh hey, you're back. It's so good to see you up and about. This virus, eh? And of course, now it's time to practice. Your task is to read mini dialogues and fill in the gap with the correct phrase. The first one. Are you still sleeping? No, I'm up. No, I'm up. Dialogue 2. Yes, I'm up for it. Dialogue 3. I don't know, but they're definitely up to something. And the last one. Wow, we are really up against a tough match. I hope that you enjoyed this lesson, and if you did, share and subscribe.